Today we'll be visiting with an employee at the City of Oceanside, specifically in the Public Works Department. Here, people in a variety of trades come together to help keep the city running, like this fleet maintenance specialist who keeps the police cars rolling.
Hi, my name is Chris Payne. I go by Chris, that's my middle name. I work for the City of Oceanside and I'm in the fleet department. So here at Fleet, we have a diverse amount of vehicles that we work on. It can be from a generator all the way up to a fire truck, or even a Caterpillar, a grader, something that plows dirt really good. We all here do work on everything. For myself, I work on police, but I also work on ambulances, I work on tractors, I also work on street sweepers for the City of Oceanside. My job here is a little more diverse as an Auto Tech 3. I need to make sure that I do my job the best that I can to make sure that that vehicle does not fail in service. My recommendation for any student out there is stay in school, get your diploma. Don't drop out, because that diploma means everything. But to become a Tech 1, you do need to have or acquire 4 ASEs, Automotive Service Excellence certificates. It doesn't matter in what, as long as you obtain 4. And then as you go into Tech 2, you do have to become a automotive master for light duty or automotive cars. And then to go to a Tech 3, you got to keep your masters for your automotive, plus get your diesel truck heavy line master certifications. So when I look at hiring here for a technician role, I look at a lot of their attitude. I look at a lot of how they present themselves. Education, you don't go get a degree if you're going to be working on stuff like this here, but you can. It's up to you if you have the means. But honestly, a lot of your trade schools that are out there are very good. I mean, even your local colleges you can go to, there's a lot of information you can pull just so that you have a grasp of what you're doing. What I love about my job, and I like it a lot, is that I can take a vehicle that comes in either a tow truck or running rough, and I get to fix it. I look at myself as not a doctor that spent 10 years in school and all that. I'm an automotive doctor. When this car breaks down, I got to know what to look for, what to read if I use a scan tool in it, decipher that code. If I have to search a harness out, find a wiring issue, I got to figure that out, and I got to know how to do that. So it brings me great pleasure when I can fix a vehicle that was towed in and put it back on the road, knowing that I made a safe vehicle to go back on the road.